Hi guys, happy Monday. Hope everyone is doing all right and that you all were able to get outside and get some rest and relaxation this weekend. Happy week 2 of online school, something I never thought I would say as a teacher, but here we are. I know we're all being flexible and adjusting and adapting, and we all have a lot going on. So, thank you for hanging in there. Really proud of you guys. We will just take this one day at a time. First and foremost, I miss all of you. Thank you guys again. Being flexible and adapting and adjusting is nothing new for you guys this semester with all the back and forth and all of the wonderful subs that you guys have had. So moving forward, this is going to kind of be our new normal while we are doing online school. So as you guys can see on your screen, I have laid out the week here for you. This is what I'm going to do each week and then record these videos to post for you all on Monday. So not only will you have a visual, but you'll also have the audio of what we are going to be doing. So as I was catching up where you all left off before spring break, apologies, this is one of the units especially, I always like to be in the classroom with you all, but especially one of the units that I would prefer we were doing in the classroom all together. You know, our class is very interactive, lots of discussions, lots of different things to talk about with this communication, dating, etc. unit. So we are just going to wrap it up as best as possible this week. So as you guys can see, moving forward, we have the days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for the week, and then just some notes down here for you all. So I'm just going to go through it one by one, and then you guys can always refer back to this video should you need it. So our new normal moving forward, you guys can expect a video announcement and this overview for the week. So on Mondays, I just want to make sure that you guys can get logged on to Google Classroom. You guys can listen to this video and then write out any questions, comments, or concerns that you guys have and either email me or attach it to whatever assignments that you guys have to turn in for the week if you have specific questions on that. Then I will be available to you online every single day of the week. And you all know email is the best way to get a hold of me. But this week, watching this video today, Monday, is the best thing for today. And then you can plan out the rest of your week accordingly based on what you have to do. So this week we're wrapping up our communication, relationships, dating violence, breaking up, all of that. And apologies again, I so wish we were in the classroom having this discussion and I was face to face with you guys for this entire unit. So please, if you need anything wrapping up this unit, questions, comments, concerns, any help, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. This week, you guys will be completing a review if you need to. It's not required, but again, you guys know if you take notes and you do the reviews, it will help you on your quiz. So Tuesday, you're going to look through 2 new presentations that are going to be posted that are just wrap up information, what you guys have learned, just really reviewing what you did for your Love is Not Abuse web quest last week. And then Wednesday, a check-in day. You know, I'll post another announcement, just how's it going? Please remember your review. If you would like to take notes, it's not an assignment. It's not due for points. However, if you do it, you can use that along with any other notes you've taken throughout this unit on your quiz. I know lots of different formats online, but we're just going to keep this as basic as possible, and I'm going to shorten the Socrative quiz that we usually give for this unit. So your quiz is going to be open Wednesday, April 1st, and that's not an April Fool's joke, through Friday, April 3rd for you to take. Okay, and there are login directions below here, right here, that we will get to in just a minute. And then Thursday is just completing your review or getting that quiz taken, and then make sure that you get your quiz taken on Friday. Okay, so how this is going to look over on Google Classroom for you guys. Here is the Love is Not Abuse slides. Now, you don't need to take notes word for word for this in your notebook. Okay, this is what the presentation I normally would give in class, and we'd have in class discussions, you would have reflections to write in your notebooks and all of that. You guys do not need to do that, but if it helps you, you can certainly watch this video and just think about these reflection questions. And then there's different roles in dating violence and some statistics for you. This should be a review, like I said, of that Love is Abuse web quest that you all did last week. Okay, so it goes through some more definitions and some statistics and just different examples. The key for this, if you guys are going to take notes on anything, or just type it at the bottom of your online review that you guys will hopefully be completing to help you with your test, but again, not required, is this cycle of abuse, this cycle of violence. Okay, number 1, tension building. Number 2, incident. Number 3, the makeup and honeymoon phase. And number 4, the calm. Okay, really these two slides, slide 12 and slide 13. And then there are, you know, a very short, this is not comprehensive, but a very short list of why abusers abuse and why victims and survivors stay. And again, in class, we would go much more into depth, much more discussion. And like I said, this is just a short list of all of that, just to give you guys a glimpse to that. So really, especially with the quiz being open note, these are things that I want you to know should you ever be in this situation or have to help a loved one in this situation. Okay, another presentation that you'll want to look through that can help you with your review should you be choosing to do that, and you do not have to take notes on this. There are just some different video clips, and what we would talk about if we were in class together is breaking up. Okay, again, this is not a comprehensive list. There's lots of different ways that this can happen, but here is just some quick basic advice for everyone of if you need to break up, if you're broken up with, coping, and then these different scenarios. Please do not worry about these. This would be an in-class activity in your notebook. You do not have to take this into your notebook, but if you need something to discuss or think about or read and you would like some extra thoughtfulness for this topic, you can go through this presentation. That will help you all with this. Again, your optional interpersonal relationships review, but this will help you be successful on your quiz. So apologies again, I was not here for this entire unit, but it is broken down section by section. So remember at the beginning, you all talked about communication styles, different types of communication, different styles of communication, and nonverbal communication and iMessages, and different positive and negative ways to listen. Then you guys dove into family structures. Okay, so following up with dating, and then unhealthy and abusive relationships. Okay, so this will help you be successful with that. So that covers the topics for this week. Again, the dating violence presentation, breaking up, and then completing this relationships unit review. Then, like I said, starting on Wednesday through Friday this week, your Socrative quiz will be open for you. Complete at any time during those 3 days. And if you need to use notes that you've taken or the review that if you optionally choose to complete, you may. You're going to go to Socrative.com, your student login. We've all done this before. The room name for this is going to be Prebe 3. It will be open. It will not be instant feedback. It's just going to show you your final score because it will be a shortened quiz from what we normally do when we've had in-class discussions and activities. You know the drill, your name, and complete the quiz. And then I will be able to put your grades in the grade book. Okay. just some upcoming things, just so you guys have a little more communication and stability with this week, is just, again, overview. Choose to do the review if you would like. Please take your quiz. Next week, you all will be rewarded and hopefully have already been doing a lot of this. So you know the drill. As we would move forward in class, you guys would vote on a movie to watch about relationships and communication. And so I'm just going to open that up and make that a little more user choice. And you guys will be choosing either a movie or a TV show to watch, and doing a little assignment relating it to healthy or unhealthy relationships and communication, dating, family styles, what have you, just wrapping up what we have done with this unit. Okay, so this is how it's going to be moving forward as we are doing online school. So please don't hesitate to reach out with any support that you all need, whether it's academic or personal at this time. I know there's a lot going on for a lot of you, and we will just rock and roll every Monday with these videos with your week outline, and then you guys logging on to Google Classroom to find your presentations, your notes, and your assignments. So I'm happy to be back with you all, even if it is just online. Seniors, I'm definitely thinking about you, as everyone, but I know this is not ideal for your spring semester of your senior year. So please let me know how I can help you guys make this a little bit better if you need anything. Other than that, everyone else, good luck with the rest of your classes. Please review this week. You guys will do great on your quiz. Please do not stress about this. I will be a lot more lenient with due dates and getting you prepared as long as you communicate with me, as always. So please email me with what you need, how I can help you be successful, and what support I can get for you. So I'm grateful to be back with you guys. Please stay safe, stay healthy this week, get outside and enjoy some sunshine, and good luck with the rest of your obligations. Be kind, wear your seatbelt, make smart choices. I will talk to you guys next week. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.